Hello children, we have finally come to the last portion of casting out nines in the form of division. In this video we shall see how do we cast out 9 when division is to be performed. Let's see. This is the question that I've chosen. 1937728. That means 19,37,728. That's quite a big number. Just focus. How do we do it? It is to be divided by 544. In a proper setup, we will write this. The first 3 digits are smaller, so we'll take up the first 4 digits. And in your rough, if you see, observing the table of 5, it shall go 3 times. Okay, so you'll write 3 here, and when you multiply in rough, you will find that the answer is 1632. Okay, you will observe the table, you will see at what time it will go, how many times it will be less than 1937. So 3 times would be less. So we've written here subtraction to be done now. Over here a 5, 0 and a 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Copying down 7, 30, 57 it has come out to be. Again itna number beta dekho. All the numbers you want to multiply. Instead of that, observe the table over here, the number to be read. 5 का table पे अगर आप ध्यान दो ज़रा, so you will observe कि this is 30, 57. 5 6 are 30 होता है, हमें 30 से कम चाहिए because this is 30, 57. So if you see 5 times it will be 2, 7, 2, 0. You subtract, you get here 10 minus 7 is a 3, 0, 0. Copying down the 2 here. Now this is 3372. Again, now observing the table of 5, now we need less than 33. So 5 6 are 30 if you remember. So it will be 2 times. 32 64 minus 8 0 1. Copying down 8. 1088 we've got here, and it shall go 2 times. This is the very basic that you need to do. In some videos, if you are looking forward for some more help, so you will see that you don't need to show the division here and directly you have to observe. But I would prefer, when you are trying to solve this, if such kind of a question comes up for your exams, then I would prefer that you must try and solve this so that you are also clear with the fact that what steps you have taken. इतना करने के बाद अब हम क्या करेंगे? Now we will come to the main portion where we will learn how to cast out 9. Okay, now beginning with the very first thing, that is the divisor. This is the one who's divising, no? So what we'll do is we'll observe the divisor and we'll see if the sum is coming to be 9. उसको हम सबसे पहले strike off करेंगे. So if you see 5 and a 4 will give you a 9. Okay, 5 and a 4 will give you a 9. So we will strike that off. Cut कर दिया, ठीक है? And we are left with a 4 here. Then next number we're going to observe is the quotient that we've got. Quotient हमारा क्या आया है बेटा? 3, 5, 6 and 2. So if you observe carefully here, a 3 and a 6 will give you what? Will give you 9. So we've striked out the 3 and the 6. Okay, we are left here with 5 and 2. Abhi I'm not encircling, you can do that, no issues at all. Next we move towards the divisor, dividend, the number that we've just divided. सबसे पहले we took up the divisor, then the quotient, and over here now we are focusing on the dividend. अब इस dividend में आपने देखना है the combination of 9 or the 9 itself. So now look here, 9 is there clearly. I strike it out. Then a 7 and 2. Yeah. 7 में if you add 2, what do you get? You get a 9. Then if you see children, there is an 8 and a 1 also. Yes or no? So there's a 8 and a 1 also. So you are left with only 7 and 3. This is how you strike. Just observe there is no remainder. Had there be one more remainder also, we would have done the same thing. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे कास्ट आउट किया है 9 को, हम रिमाइंडर में भी यही करते. ठीक है. The next step is to remember the formula where dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus the remainder. This needs to be kept in mind, and coming out to the dividend, the numbers that are left here are 3 and 7. So आपने क्या करना है, 3 and 7 लेना है यहाँ पे. Okay. Divisor पे what are the numbers left? Only a 4 plus quotient पे we are left with a 5 and a 2. I'm putting bracket over here. 5 and a 2. Remainder पे we've got nothing here, a 0. Again I'm showing. Just see. Dividend पे the numbers left were a 3 and a 7. इनको इस फॉर्म में लिख लिया. Divisor पे only 4 was left. I've written it here. Quotient पे 5 and 2 were left. And remainder is 0. Next step we're going to solve. 7 plus 3 will give you a 10. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 2 will give you 7 plus 0. 10 can be written as 1 plus 0 because हमें single digit में लाना है. You know this. 7 plus 4 will give you a 28 plus 0. 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 8 plus 2 or 2 plus 8 plus 0. This will get to 1 is equal to 8 plus 2, 10 plus 0. 1. Next step is 10 को further divide करेंगे 1 plus 0 में, and finally the last step is 1 is equal to 1. That means the excess of your dividend, आपके डिविडेंड का जो एक्सेस निकल रहा है, एक्स्ट्रा बच गया ना, वो जो आपका एक्सेस है वो यहाँ ये फॉर्मूले में पुट करने के बाद इट शुड tally. So now you see there's a 1 here and there's a 1 here. This way you need to solve and check your answer by casting out 9. Thank you so much children for watching. Hope it's been helpful.